Happy Halloween from Liquid Concha!
That's so awesome.
Hi everyone, it's Monica from LC and happy Halloween. We are starting off this series with a very special guest, okay, with some Halloween specials. And did I tell you what we're making or no?
No,
Okay.
it's a surprise.
Ooh, well, I am so excited for this. It is a pumpkin caipirinha. We are bringing Brazil into the cocktail.
Yeah, it's pumpkin, yes. That's definitely a twist.
Hopefully you like it. I don't even know if you like pumpkin. Do you?
Yes, I love it.
Oh, okay, so we're good. We're already winning, and I'm excited to get this all shaken up with our LC family. We're gonna grab our shakers. Now, what I do love about a caipirinha when it's done is that you put the whole chunks of lime.
Yes.
Now, because it's pumpkin season, it's fall, I want to switch things up and actually use lemon instead. So, let's do the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yeah. So guys, we chopped up some lemon. We chopped up half a lemon, and that's what you got in here. And then we're gonna add our pumpkin spiked syrup. Now this syrup is super easy to make at home, okay? So all you need is brown sugar, that pumpkin pie filling that's always in like the dessert section, and some water, some cinnamon, a little bit of salt, you know? Because we like, when you're baking, you always add a little pinch of salt.
Yes.
That's what we did. So we stir it, and that's what this is. That's how simple it is.
How much am I doing?
1 ounce. We're gonna pour 1 ounce of that pumpkin sugar. Now we want to go for definitely a lightly aged.
I don't model it first?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, mom caught that. Mom caught that real quick. See, that's what I'm telling you. Like she's a professional now. Okay. So yeah, put your arm. Are you scared?
No. I just don't want it to spill on me.
Okay, well she's delicately modeling.
Yes.
When it comes to choosing your cachaça, you want something that is gonna be on the lighter, brighter side. And I absolutely love this particular brand. So, and I know you will too.
How much
This
do
is
I
clean.
put?
2 ounces. You smell like cachaça? You see how good, honestly, I love cachaça. So tasty. So, we're gonna add some ice into here and then give it a shake. So give this a nice vigorous shake. Did you forget how to shake?
No. Of course, the things.
You just looked afraid of it. You seemed afraid of the machine.
Enough?
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now remember, here, you wanna hit here. That's it.
Not yet.
Okay,
I'm getting there. I got it. Done.
If you really want to refine it, make sure that it's not going to be quickly diluted, then I would just strain it and pour it over fresh ice. But since the caipirinha is kind of iconic with its, with the lemon bits and the wedges, let's add it all. Let's do it.
Right.
Pour over top.
Ooh, I love that color.
Right?
Yes.
Looks so good.
All right, now it's to the taste.
Okay.
Let's see if I approve it.
Because I didn't even test it, so let's see if she's vibing to this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay. Guys, and I'm telling you,
It's so
not
different.
lying to me.
It's so different. I don't even know how to describe this, but it's good.
It's describing what?
Is it like a boozy soup?
A boozy soup. Boozy pumpkin soup, okay? So we are going to be literally the Martha Stewart of cocktails and food. Now, if you want to find this recipe and so much more, believe me, we got you hooked up for all of Halloween. Just head over to laqculture.com and yeah, just
There you go. The recipe
follow.
will be there.
Yeah, and she's just gonna enjoy this while, while I wait.